Hello there. So last week we did our voice warm-ups with these delicious treats, right? And we practiced sliding our voice up and sliding our voice down, right? Try that with me. I want you to just go a mm, mm. Okay, try it with me. Here we go. Very good. And remember, we talked about the different sizes of the ice creams. Remember, do the short one with me. Here we go. Good. Do it again. Do the three stack with me. One more time. Now let's do the four stack. Here we go. One more time. Excellent job. So you remember that. Now we're going to go ahead and start working on some patterns with our yum sound. Okay. So number one, we're going to do together. I want you to trace this pattern. You could do it with your finger or with your eyes. You can follow my arrow. Okay, so it sounds like this. Try that with me. Here we go. Deep breath in. Nice job. Let's try number two. Here we go. Deep breath in. Good job. Try it one more time with me. Deep breath in. Ooh, very good. All right, let's go to number three. This one sounds like this. And see how I didn't have any kind of breaking? I didn't go like this. I didn't go. If you're getting that kind of break sound in your voice, you're not opening your voice enough. So you can do a nice little yawn like this. Oh, keep your throat nice and open like you're yawning. Okay. All right. So try that with me. Ready? Deep breath in. Good. That should feel really nice and smooth. Okay. If it doesn't feel smooth, you're not opening your throat enough. And if you don't open your throat enough, you could cause some damage to your voice. So do everything very gentle and smooth. Okay. Ooh, let's do number four. Number four kind of sounds like a race car. Tell me what you think. Listen. Isn't that cool? So try it with me. Deep breath in. Since sometimes because of allergies or because of our air, your voice can break a little bit. You heard mine. Let's try that one more time. And you'll see it's totally normal. Okay, so deep breath in. Open the throat. Very good. Now, this time I want you to choose your own favorite pattern, and I want you to trace it with your finger. Okay? Choose your favorite pattern, trace it with your finger, and make the sound with your voice. Go ahead. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. Very good. Choose another one. Try another one. What's your other favorite one? Good. Keep that nice open throat. Excellent job. Thank you for warming up with me. And as you see, my voice is a little scratchy today because of our weather, and that's normal. But guess what? We can overcome that, and we can still sing as long as we do it soft and safe. Okay? All right. We'll see you guys next time.